now and also one more very important which you have to be concentrating here is observe here, this .java file is available where, I mean definitely in most of the cases our .java file which is expecting by compiler will be available within the OS directory structure only, within the OS directory structure, and this one will be always within the package directory structure, okay, such that this one is available within the OS directory structure. Observe here, okay, it always expects the location of .class file, okay, where that .class file will be in most of the cases it is the recommended approach, okay. If you are generating any .class file, you have to generate them within the package directory structure only, okay. Now observe here, where is this code wanted or dependent .class file available within the OS directory structure and within the package directory structure. Observe here, okay, where .class file will be within the within the package directory structure, and that package structure is available within the OS directory structure, okay. Observe now this code, how to compile, okay, how to compile this code. Simple thing, observe here, okay, simple thing, observe here. What is this? Everything is in front of you only. Observe, you guys are aware of this one, okay. We'll ask for dependent source file location. If it is like the OS directory structure related thing, I want to give that information to JVM, I'm sorry, to compiler and also to the JVM. How we can resolve that one? If it is like OS directory structure, if our location is what? OS directory structure, how we can inform to compiler and okay and JVM? Through class path only, through class path only, friends, okay. By using class path setting only, you can give OS directory path or location to compiler and JVM. Observe, you might be getting one doubt. Yes, mister, till here OS directory structure, okay, but JVM will expect .class file location, right, where .class file is available within OS directory structure and within the package directory structure. Getting, it is available within the OS directory structure and within the package directory structure. Now how to inform about this package directory structure location to JVM, okay, at runtime. Getting, first let us finish this with this, okay, later we go to this one, okay. Now so first what you have to do, OS directory structure means how to inform to compiler through class path setting. So now how to compile this one? Java C, okay, Java C -cp. What is the OS directory structure for this .java, that is i1.java file, C class files of Java, okay. Now -cp, what is that? C class files of, getting, observe friends, okay. Now Java C -cp, C class files of Java, and come to this one, which source code you want to execute now, I mean compile, which source code you are compiling, this source code, why you are setting this class path, why you want to set this class path? Observe here, whenever you are accessing the member of any dot class file from outside the package, getting, our code will ask for, our code is having some of the dependent dot class file thing, okay, then at that time how you are going to inform about that dependent class or interface or abstract thing? How? By using this class path, okay, it will be available within the OS directory structure if it is the source file, getting. So if you want to inform the location of that source file, you have to use what? Class path, okay, observe, okay. So that's why we are going for this class path. Now you want to compile this one, think that this one is having the name as what? Driven.java. Now observe here, driven.java. If you do run, there will be a driven dot class file within this OS directory structure. Now I want to run, I want to execute this particular driven dot class file, getting. This is what? Driven dot class file, friends, okay. This one is what? A driven dot class file, okay. Now of course, if you are accessing any of the other dot class file members from outside the package, getting, then JVM will ask for dependent dot class file location or path. Now our dependent dot class file, where it is available? Within the OS directory structure, within the package directory structure it is available. If it is OS directory structure, I can resolve that one by using what? We can give that information to JVM by using what? Class path variable or class path setting. Yes, mister, our required dot class file available within the package directory structure. How to inform this information to JVM? Simple thing, you have to resolve that one, okay. Okay, you have to resolve that one, okay. What is that? Observe here, if any package directory structures are available, okay, about them we can, okay, we can inform to, you can inform to JVM by using, observe here, by using import statement, guys, okay, import statement, okay. Now what we have to do? That too by using import statement. This import statement, okay, this import statement must be, getting, must be written, okay, written within the accessing code. Now which is the accessing code? That is which class is accessing other class, other dot class file members. Which class? This class, okay. So where you have to write this import statement to inform or to give this information to JVM in which class? In this class or in that i1.java you have to write where you are accessing. You are printing where? Other dot class file variable value here. This is the accessing means what? With respect to variables printing, I am printing here, getting. So where you have to use import statement within this source code. So put what? Import, getting, import what is that? com.it.i1, getting, guys. Observe these things, okay. We can complete even static and final, simple thing to complete all of those things. Observe, okay, the same structure we are going to follow. Now observe here, if it is like the source file available at other OS directory structure, how we are going to inform to compiler? Through class path variable. And if it is like JVM, to JVM also we are going to inform, but you are going to inform about dot class file. It expects dot java file. It expects what? Dot class file. And here strictly here it expects what? Do you know? Dot java and also dot class file. If you are not having source code, okay, no need to worry, okay, go with dot java file. About that I'll discuss at operators, okay, very specific thing, okay. Whatever you are having till now, more than enough to understand this one, okay. Now if it is like a package directory structure, how we can resolve? By using import statement within the accessing code, okay. Who requires this import statement? Compiler or JVM? JVM requires this one. If our dependent dot class file available within the, observe here, if any package directory structures okay are created, then okay, then we can inform to JVM by using what? Import statement, okay. Import statement is what? To inform about dependent dot class file location available within the package directory structure, okay. And that import statement should be written within the accessing code, okay. Now how to run this particular driven code, okay, driven code. And one more thing, okay, here I am going to introduce one more thing. Will ask for dependent dot class file path, getting, and also observe here, will ask for accessing dot class file path, okay. Will ask for dot, that is accessing dot class file path, okay, that is location. It wants the location of dependent dot class file, okay, and it also wants the path of currently executing or accessing code, okay. Now how to set how to inform about the location of dependent dot class file? If it is available within OS directory structure, by using class path. If it is package directory structure, by using import statement. Done, we have done that one, okay. Now what is this one? Our JVM always expects what? Dependent dot class file class path, and also accessing dot class file path also, getting. Now how to set that one? Simple thing, okay. Once again you have to use what? Class path variable or class path setting to inform about these locations or path within our local hard disk, okay. Now how to run this one? Observe here, java-cp C class files of Java. And now observe how to inform about the current OS directory structure to JVM by using what? Dot current working directory. Dot represents what? Current working directory, getting. Now I want to load this main method corresponding class dot class file. So what I mean, which name we have to write here? Driven, getting. Observe here, what is this? Driven, okay. What is this? Driven. If I do compile this one and run this one, I'll get the output as what? 999. Observe here, 999. If you want, append some of the few statements here as what? From I1 interface, getting guys, from I1 interface, okay. Observe this one, okay. What we are going to do here? First, interface variables are by default public, static, final. First one, why they made or why they are giving this default feature to the interface variables, okay. That is what we are understanding. As part of that, first we have started public. getting public. Why they want to make the variables as public? Who is writing this public static final? Compiler. Where it is writing? Within the dot class file. Okay, now so compiler is doing all of these jobs. Okay, now think that I have created one of the source code interface i1 i1.java within the OS directory structure C class files of Java. Getting? Now I want to compile this source code. Okay, I want to compile this i1.java source code and I want to generate this particular i1.java corresponding i1.class file within the package directory structure. I want to create this package directory structure and I want to create the .class file within this package directory structure only. Think that we have done it. Okay, we have done it. To do this one, what I have said to you, you have to write a package statement. This is what our package statement. Other one is what? You have to use -d space dot option at compile time. Okay, now we will do that one. Okay, let me brush these things once. Okay, now I want to access this particular interface variable from outside the package, getting D directory. Now that class is what? Driven. Okay, it is what? Driven. Okay, now I want to make this driven class as implementation class to i1 interface. Getting? I want to make this driven as what? Implementation class to i1 interface. Okay, so that this will become as what? Child. It will become as what? Parent. Okay, through inheritance, whatever parent is having by default available to child, right? Now I didn't use any class name, that is interface name, any object. I'm directly accessing this one from outside the package. Which one? This one, I variable value. Observe friends. Okay, this variable value. Getting? This variable value. Getting? If a member is declared, or it is having access modifier as public, means we can access that one within the package and outside the package. Okay, this is the proof, guys. Observe here. Okay, now I want to compile this source code. Okay, but where is the dependent source code? It is available within the OS directory structure. So I want to set this class path. Okay, why we have to use class path here means to inform about dependent .java file information, I have to use class path. Okay, and now how to run this one? I have to inform about dependent. So dependent dot class file location. Okay, where our dependent dot class file available? Within OS directory structure and within package directory structure. If it is like OS directory structure, we can inform to compiler and JVM by using class path. Getting? By using what? By using what? Inform to class path. Inform to compiler and JVM by using class path. If it is like a package directory structure, getting? Then about the location, how we can inform? By using import statement within the accessing code. Observe here, must be within the accessing code. Which one? If any, what is that? If any package directory structure. Okay, this is what? Package directory structure. Okay, if any package directory structure and and accessing outside. Okay, what is this? Once again, if any package directory structure and you are accessing the dependent dot class file. Okay, that dot class file information, if you want to inform to JVM, then you have to specify that one by using import statement within the accessing code. Okay, within the accessing code. Okay, this is what our execution. You will get the output as what? 999. Once again, to form this structure com.it, okay, you have to do two things. Number one is what? You have to write package directory structure within this code, and at compile time simply you have to put what? Java c hyphen d dot I1 dot Java. Getting? That's it. Okay, if you do this one, it will create this package directory structure and I1 dot class file within the package directory structure. Now observe here, I am going to compile this one. Okay, observe here, if it is not public, can we access I variable value of I1 interface from outside the package? Observe here, by default they are public static final public. Getting? Here what is the access modifier for this variable own? It is by default access modifier. If it is like default access modifier, we can access that one only within the declared package directory structure. Observe here, where this I is available, it is available within the I1 interface. Getting? And that too it is available in other OS directory structure, and within the, that is dot class file available within the package directory structure, source file available within the other OS directory structure. Getting? Observe this thing. Okay, so that's why if you are getting the output here as 999, we are sure that by default it is what? Public. This is the proof, guys. Okay, this is the proof. Okay, important things. Okay, observe the same piece of code. Now we are going to compile and execute. Just 2 minutes. Observe here. Okay, now observe, let us create that particular within this, let me create that particular I1 interface. Observe here. Okay, interface, let me put public. What is that? Interface I1. Okay, now within this declare int I equals to 999. Save this one with I1 dot Java. Okay, now where you have to save this one? In C class files of Java, and just put package directory structure, I mean package statement. Okay, package com dot it. Getting? Now observe this one carefully, friends. Okay, now we are going to compile this one. How to compile and how to form this package directory structure? You have to compile this particular code in this way. Okay, in this way. Okay, observe here. Okay, now where is our source code available? Within C class files of Java, which is OS directory structure. Now I want to generate the dot class file within the package directory structure hyphen d dot I1 dot Java. Okay, observe this one. Yes, com.id has been generated. Okay, here our dependent dot class file available. Observe this part. By default public static final. Did I declare here public static final? No. Who is writing this statement here within the dot class file? Our compiler, to achieve some other nature. Okay, observe here. Okay, we are discussing that one only. Observe here. Okay, now let us go for creating a driven class. Okay, driven class, friends. Okay, now it has to be the implementation class for whom? I1 interface. Where I1 interface is available? Within the package directory structure com.it. Observe. Now let me save this one with driven.java at other location. Let it be D. Okay, let it be D. Okay, now yes. Okay, now put public static final, public static void main. Okay, a string array. Now here directly I am writing what? System.out.println. Observe friends. Okay, system.out.println. What is this? From from I1 interface of C. Of course, from I1 interface, more than enough. Okay, observe here. Okay, now how to compile this source code at D directory? Go to D directory. Observe here friends. Okay, how to compile this one? Where the dependent source file is available within the C class files of Java. This is what our I1.java. Observe here.